Last night. I told him not to come back. I ain't trying to deal with her anymore. That's right. What my mouth got to do with anything?
Miss Annalise, can I get you some champagne?
Ain't that right, Annalise?
I'm sorry?
Yvonne asked you if you wanted something to drink.
You look like you need it. We got champagne.
Cheap champagne. I do not recommend it.
Trying to cut back.
Why? You pregnant?
Oh, please, my eggs dried up a long time ago.
Then you can't use your period as an excuse for this mood you in. What's wrong? You finally screw up with the cop?
Since when has my mood been dependent on a man?
Ooh, does that mean you done with him?
Here she go, queen of Thoughtland.
But y'all know my radar perks up when the conversation turns to fine-ass sexy man.
If you talking about that same guy that you showed me in that picture one day, then I want first dibs.
I got him next. Ooh, honey, I would love to take them.
You'd love to what?
Be with a man who don't cry after sex.
You know what? That's why I'll tell you nothing, bro.
Wait, you want to know what your problem is, Professor? You too greedy. First, you're not happy with the white man. Now you're not happy with the black man.
Better than being sloppy like some people I know, sleeping with their husband's friends.
But see, it worked, didn't it? I found out Tyler was screwing our neighbor.
Half of everyone knew your husband was sleeping with the neighbor.
Well, how come no one told me?
We did.
See, that's messed up.
What's up, ladies?
Gone. You know the rules. Out. We don't want your stuff.
I told this druggie behind not to come in here anymore.
Y'all know he harmless. He just down on his luck.
For the last 10 years.
Well, it took me 14 to get my ass clean.
Clean from what?
Ro didn't tell you about her crack den days.
It was cocaine, mostly. Rick wasn't playing when he said it was a hell of a drug. But I did the work, used God and sex to make me feel good, throw some AA meetings in there, and I'm good to go.
She still drinks.
It's just that one time.
If you mean by